Do you want to turn your average studio setup like this to something like this? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a few tips and tricks to transform your studio space in a matter of hours into something far more dynamic and cinematic. So I'm here in our new studio space. This is what it currently looks like. It's not great. So now I'm going to show you a quick little demonstration of how you can turn a space like this into something that actually looks like a really cool backdrop for your videos. So it's currently hidden now, but you can see we've got these green tape markers there. And what I've actually done is I've marked where my tripod's gonna sit, and I've also marked on the wall where the frame is gonna be for the video. So using this frame, I can know exactly where to put my backdrop. So all we're actually going to do for this backdrop is set up 3 staggered frames which are going to hold old vintage cameras. So we've got this wood, and I basically, all I need to do now is cut it to length and mount it on the wall. And hopefully, if I'm right, it should look pretty good as a backdrop. No, we don't show that. Finish off the job. Okay, so we've cut our shelves now, and what we've done is we've drilled holes into the back of them, and hopefully what we're going to be able to do is put screws into the walls and then push these shelves onto those screws through these holes, and we should get a nice little floating shelf situation. So we put the screws in the wall, and now we're going to put the shelf on. And we've actually angled these screws up a bit so that hopefully when we get a bit of weight on it, it should be flat against the wall. Otherwise it might be kind of saggy. Now we're just putting all these vintage camera lenses on the shelves, and we might put a few lights as well, but yeah, I think it's gonna look pretty cool. So I've put all of these vintage lenses and cameras on the shelves, and it's looking really good. But just to add a bit of color, we're going to use the Aperture MC lights, and I'm just going to put one on each shelf. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned a few tips and tricks along the way. I am going to be doing another video in the future on this very basic lighting setup to get this nice cinematic look. So if you want to see that and more of my videos, then please subscribe.